What's up, Curl Gang? It's your girl Lalaslim here. Today I'm going to be giving you guys some feminine hygiene tips and tips on how to smell good all day long. Keep watching. So I have a list of a couple hygiene tips that will definitely help you to smell good. My tip number one would be to take a shower. You could double cleanse with the bar soap and then use a body wash. That's how I take my showers, and I usually end up smelling good all day. Number two, spend some extra time cleaning your armpit and body folds. So anywhere you know you have like folds, that's where it holds all moisture and all of the stuff that don't smell good. So make sure you take some extra time to clean those areas to make sure that you don't have any bad odor. Number three, use a loofah, washcloth, or gloves when taking a shower. That's gonna guarantee that you exfoliate your whole body, which gets rid of the dirt and anything that doesn't smell good on you, washes it down the drain. Number four, completely dry your body and feet. When you don't completely dry your body and feet, you know what happens? All of the moisture that's there stays there, and it causes the bad odor. You don't want to be walking around stank. You just don't want to do that. Tip number five, you could prevent stinky feet by drying your toes and using solid Dove deodorant on your feet. I know it does sound a little odd, but I've been doing this for a couple years now, and I found that like my feet doesn't smell bad at the end of the day. Like it always smells good if I do that, you know what I mean? Even do that, you have to make sure you dry in between your toes, dry your feet, dry everything. Number six, use moisturizer or lotion that complements your perfume of the day. So if you have for example, this is a good example because I've just seen it recently. If you have a pistachio perfume that you're spraying on you, make sure you have something that smells similar to it, maybe like a pistachio moisturizer, pistachio, everything. Use Vaseline on areas where you want to spray your perfume so it can last longer. I do that and I see that it has made a big difference. I put a little bit, you don't need a lot. I put a little bit of Vaseline, and what that does is it helps to stick to you and you're smelling good all day. Usually where areas like if somebody hugs you, they're gonna smell would be like your neck, like those areas. Just make sure you put like Vaseline and you put the perfume spray on it. It can smell good longer. This is for the women. You can use intimate deodorant. Holes like maybe on the side of your thighs, the side, not inside, the side of like your vagina. You can put like not regular deodorant. This is like the intimate deodorant. I'm gonna put a picture here and let you guys know where to find it. Those are amazing. They smell so good. They have a few different flavors. I think they have watermelon, peach, and another one. I'm gonna post it in the description below so you guys can be able to find it. This tip is for oral hygiene. So when you're brushing your teeth, you have to use mouthwash first. I know everybody usually does it after, but it doesn't make sense. Let me tell you why. So when you're using mouthwash, it loosens any and every food particle that you have in between your teeth. It helps get the process started. After that, you start brushing your teeth. One other thing you need to make sure you do, never forget this one, because where all the odor and everything trapped is on your tongue. Make sure you brush your tongue. What I usually do is I usually shake the mouthwash in my mouth, brush my teeth, and then after that I rinse it out of my mouth, and then I get toothpaste again and I brush my tongue just to make sure that I don't have anything left behind that's gonna make my breath smell bad. Another tip is, I don't even know where I'm at, I'm just gonna keep going with the numbers. Drink a lot of water, because water helps flush out bad things in your body. Water hydrates you. Water is just good for you. It does a lot. You just gotta make sure you do that. Another tip to smelling good is drink some chlorophyll. It works as your body's natural deodorizer. So drinking chlorophyll, you don't have to drink a lot. You could put a couple drops in your water every day, and then you're good for the day. You're not gonna smell stank when you like sweat. Another tip for the vagina: wash outside your vagina with a gentle soap like unscented Dove, or vagina wash with no harsh chemicals, because you don't want to use some chemicals that completely throws off your pH. Don't do that. Another tip is take your everyday probiotics. Probiotics is good for gut health, your vaginal health. It's good for overall health. And also take some cranberry, vitamins, you know, different things that's good for the vagina. That's another thing that's gonna help your vagina smell good. It's gonna help your overall. Another tip to smelling good all day is wash your hair. And to get products that smell really good, my last tip is get a good perfume. If you want to smell good all day, you can't be spraying body mist on you 24/7. It does smell good, yes, but it doesn't last long. So you need like a good perfume. There are a lot of perfumes that's $100 or less that you can get through Amazon, Sephora. You can get at Macy's, different places where they have like real perfumes. Don't get the ones that says eau de toilette. Don't get those. They will not last long. They're kind of like mist. Do not last long. You're gonna have to get those that say eau de perfume or parfum or something like that. So those are the ones that you're gonna have to get. I go on Amazon, I look for whatever perfume I want to get. I would still use my own judgment, to be honest. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. Please stay tuned for my next couple videos. It's gonna get better, okay? I'm gonna get all of my YouTube stuff together, all of my great lighting, so that way I can keep shooting good content for you guys. And again, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.